Hi all, in this video we are discussing about OS module in Node.js. OS module means it is a predefined module. There are a lot of functions which will help to retrieve the functions or values which are related to OS, that is operating systems. And here are some of the details which we are mentioning. Then the first we need to know how we can include an OS module. Here, for including an OS module to our program, or where we need to add those module, we need to use the key called require. So that require will gives you some type of module which is required to this program. So that require will help you or give you, or that will add or import those modules to our program. So here I am adding OS module. So this represents, so what happened, this OS module, this represents you the module name, this represents the module name. And here, okay, okay, this will represent you the module name. So my module name is OS, so that I am using OS. And here this will gives you, returns you an object. So that will used to retrieve those OS related functions. So this object dot those functions, so that we can retrieve those OS functions. So for example, in this program, or I need to know which is my platform or which is my OS platform I am using. So for denoting that I am using platform. Then for getting platform, I need to use a function called platform function. So by using this platform function, I can retrieve which platform I am using in my OS. So this is my object. Object dot that function retrieves the value of that platform. So next one is another example for retrieving OS related module, that is function, that is architecture. For getting which architecture I am using in OS, that gives by arch, arch function. So os.arch function gives you the architecture. Okay, so this is two example which mentioned. So there are a lot of OS related functions are there, or methods are there, which are specified in this slide. There are for getting architecture. Okay, for getting architecture, we are using a function called architecture. Retrieve operating system constraints. There is a function called constraints. Then for getting information about the computer CPU, the function we are using is CPUs, that is os dot or object dot CPUs, that will return the information about the computer CPUs. Then okay, end indians, which returns the end indians of the CPU. Then next is end of line. Then free memory space, host name, load, then network interfaces. So such kind of methods we can use. There are a lot of methods like total memory, then which type we are using, or which type of operating system, that is name of the operating system which we are using. So those kinds of operating system related, we can retrieve, or we can use such functions to retrieve or get the values. So this function, when we are using that OS module, we can retrieve such methods to get all these values. So this will help you to return all the operating system related values to retrieve. Okay, there are a lot of functions. So in our program I am using two or three methods no, I am using two methods only. The first one to retrieve the total memory space. So what was the total memory space? To get in the OS system, I am using total memory, and that function gives you how much total memory size which is allocated to this system. And next one is free memory space. So this will gives you how much free memory space is available in your OS system. So that retrieves how much memory space will be available there. And for displaying, we are normally for displaying any displaying function we are using it is console.log. So that means when I am using console.log, that gives you a system output. So how I am running this is node, my program is saved in os.js, so I run node os.js, and that retrieves the total memory space and what are the and how much free memory space is available in your system. These two which we are retrieving from using these two line of code. By that I can retrieve this total memory size and remaining or free memory space. So I can use another such kind of methods like like what will be the, it is CPUs, then architecture, release, then temporary directory, like that methods I can use in this program to retrieve those values. So this is actually a basic example how we can use this OS module. So you can try those type of methods in such kind of programs to retrieve those values and experiment it. So now I am going to give you a small how it will be work. So this is my program which you see in your slide. This is actually a program which helps you to retrieve the total memory in an OS. In an OS, what are the total memories you are allotted and how much free memory you have. So for getting this, we have used a total memory and free memory, which are the functions. Os dot total memory for getting total memory, and os dot free memory that gives you the free memory size. And when I'm running this function, this program, like what happened is there, I run it is node space, my program saved in OS, so it is os.js, then press enter. Now I obtain total memory space and free memory space. Then second thing I need to say you that if I need to retrieve some values like platform or release, then I need to use those functions in my program like this. It is like when I need to retrieve platform, then what happen, I will go to my program and write a function like this. It is variable. What was my aim is to get my aim is to get sorry my aim is to get platform. So what happened, I need to give the platform variable platform equal to os dot, here those methods are listed under OS. When I'm using OS, those methods which we can use in my program that are listed under OS method, OS module, these methods are listed there. If I am using the method platform, here the platforms are available there. So what happens, it gives a function, so this platform will be represented you. Okay, note that this platform will be represented you which platform you are using. It is actually a function like network, again network interface, it is actually a function. Load average, it is actually another function. Host name, home directory, those functions which we or methods which retrieve use some values for your given method. So I am using platform, so I press what will be platform, so that gives you the platform, and it's actually a function, so I used a function. Then what happened? So for displaying this function value, I use console dot, it is already defined there, log, then platform. I need to represent the platform. Okay, then it is concatenating, sorry, it is concatenating, I am using plus and right platform. Okay, on semicolon, so that it will work. So how it will work? Just run it my program, that is node os.js, then it gives you, sorry, I haven't saved it, that's why. So now I saved the file and run, then I am getting the platform is Win32. My platform is Win32. Like that I can use a lot of methods and functions in OS. This is a simple example which we mentioned there. So thank you everyone. Please go through the remaining methods in this OS module. So thank you.